Hey y'all, I'm Dellinger and welcome to Sport Compact Warehouse, your one-stop shop for any of your automotive parts. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Cobb Tuning Accessport. These are made for different makes and models such as the Nissan GT-R, Porsche, Mazda Speed, and much more. The exact Accessport that I have in my hand right now is for the Subaru. So let's check it out and get to unboxing. Alrighty, so once you've received your Cobb Accessport, it comes in a nice durable box. And when you open the product up, you'll see that you actually have a Cobb tuning case and then also an accessory box. First, we're gonna get into the actual Cobb tuning casing. You'll have the quick start guide. You don't need that. And you'll get the actual tuning application, which is the Cobb Accessport. Next, you will have your micro USB cord. And then, got some cool decals, 10 extra horsepower. And then you'll have a nice black faceplate to interchange from the gray to black. And then it also comes with a tuner holder, so you can actually put it on your dash just to keep it nice and steady. So in the accessories box, what we have is the OBD2, and also comes with a double-sided sticky mount, so you can actually install it to the back of the holder and put it on your dash or wherever you would like to put it inside of your vehicle. So now that we got done with the unboxing part, let's actually talk about the Cobb Accessport functional features. To start off is the simple installation. It shows on-screen instructions which identify your exact vehicle and available maps. Second off is gauges, which is one of my favorites. It allows to monitor between 1 to 6 gauges that are fully customizable to show you exactly what you want to see. For example, you can have a boost gauge with a shift light set to your desired RPM. Performance measuring, which lets you measure 0 to 60 time, 60 foot and quarter-mile times, and also trap speed. Troubleshooting codes, so you can diagnose issues and clear them when resolved. Tuning applications, so you can change and store up to 100 maps from Cobb's OTS map database or from your favorite Cobb tuner and quickly switch between them for any needs. Auto on and off detection, which enables smart on and off feature for when your car is detected to be running or shut off. Simple uninstall, allowing you to revert your ECU to exactly as it was before. Those are some of the highlighted features that you can actually see on your Cobb Accessport. Cobb's Accessport is the last engine management solution you will ever need. So thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out sportcompactwarehouse.com for any of your automotive parts.